Shraddha, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be shopping for 24 hours straight. So I'll be having like 12 categories. Here is the beauty, it's the Huda Beauty's retrograde palette. So this is by Starbucks in a really nice peach color. Again, take a second to appreciate this beautiful neon color. So I got Alexa, Echo Dot, whatever you wanna call it. So guys, coming to the next category, it is actually needs. I want and I will use every single day, for example a shampoo or this or that. So the first thing which I got is this one. This is actually a set of shampoo and mask. This is from Wella. It is called as Wella Fusion. So my hairdresser has recommended this to me from the time I've straightened my hair. I couldn't wait to film this video and even actually start using it. Even my mom got the same shampoo, so we both are sharing literally the same shampoo so that I can complete filming and then actually start using my shampoo. So this is how it looks like. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner which I'm using. It is so good. So he also recommended another thing from Wella. This is how it looks like. This is like a hair serum. You have to basically use it after you washed your hair and your hair is completely dry to give it like a more smoother effect. And the next thing which I got is this one. This is the Clean and Dry Daily Intimate Wash. This is how it looks like. Of course it's a need. I use it almost every single day. I don't know if it's good or bad, but I feel fresh when I use it. So I used it and it's almost over, so I wanted to have like a refill. The next thing which I got is the Dove's deodorant stick. To be honest, I never really tried it out. I never really tried like a deodorant stick, not this or anything, but I wanted to give it a try and actually use it every single day. That's why I bought it on the category of needs. The next thing which I got is also a need, I would say. This is the Dot & Key's lip polishing exfoliating sugar scrub, and this is how it looks like. I'm sorry for the noise outside. So I use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink almost every single day and it's super hard to actually remove it off your lips. So I really need like a really nice sugar scrub, so I wanted to buy this one. See, let me just open it and show it to you from inside. So guys, this is how the lip scrub looks like from the inside. It has got this really nice sage green kind of a packaging, and when we open it, it looks like this. I don't know why, but it kind of looks like a clay to me and not sugar. It has sugar granules in it. So guys, coming to the 8th category, it is actually home decor. To be honest, I was so super excited for it and I was like, mera pura budget will go in this only. I would not know what to buy. I scrolled down Amazon so much, like I couldn't. Everything was like so expensive and not out of my taste. I usually find a lot of stuff on Amazon, but this time surprisingly I didn't find any, and the 2 hours were almost coming to an end. Sorry for the lossage of footage, but I ended up only buying this one. This is how it looks like. I'll place a picture here so that you can have like a better understanding. This is actually a cushion cover. Again, it was not on any sale or anything, but I really love this one. I'm going to be saving this for my house and not going to be using here. So yeah, this is the only one thing that I got in the home decor section. So guys, coming to my 9th category, it was Indian wear. I got 3 sets, but I already ended up wearing 2 of them, so I have only one and I'm going to be showing that to you, and this is how it looks like. Firstly, I'm opening it for the first time, by the way. Firstly, I fell in love with the color. It is actually a complete set of kurta. This is how the kurta looks like. It is so pretty. I would like to say the material is not that great, but this is how the kurti looks like. It comes along with the pants. I think these are like palazzo pants. If you can see, it comes with palazzo pants and also a chunni. This is how the chunni looks like. Again, I got it on sale for like a much cheaper price, so it was kind of like a steal. And this is going to be my Rakhi outfit, so you have to stay tuned for my Rakhi vlog to actually see how I look in that, although I know you're not interested. So guys, coming to the next category, it is actually nightwear, and I again got only one thing because recently I have been purchasing a lot of nightwear and I haven't opened this. Don't tell me. This from Myntra, but it is from H&M. I have been again eyeing on this for a while, so I thought why not take only one, because if you see my previous category, I would identified a lot of money there. So oh wow, this is so pretty. This is the night dress which I actually got. So this is the shirt. Oh wow, it's super pretty. So this is the shirt. It has these really cute daisies on it. It's light blue in color, and I think I got like a size XL. That's why it is so big. But I want my night clothes to be super comfortable. So this is the shirt, and these are the shorts. If you know me, I live in these night dresses. I love the short and shirt sets. So this is the thing which I got. I have been buying a lot of night clothes recently, so I limited myself to only one in this category. So guys, coming to the last second category, it is actually bath and body. By seeing that, I actually initially thought it was Bath and Body Works, so I first ended up picking up this one. This is actually a body wash from Bath and Body Works. This is the chocolate covered cherry, and this is how it looks like. It has such a sweet smell. It has literally like this you know, strong sweet smell. Not really my type. For some reason I got tempted, you know, I was hungry I think, so I got that one. The next thing which I got is again related to desserts. You know, I think that day I was craving for desserts and actually mentioned it in that video. So I got strawberry pound cake room fragrance mist. Again, it has such a strong like strawberry cake fragrance. I can't even tell you, like literally I think that day I was super hungry and I saw the names and I got all Lala here and there. The next thing which I got is a Bath and Body Works candle. This is in the variant Cactus Blossom, and this is how it looks like. The smell is again super sweet, but I wouldn't say it is like extremely sweet. It is somewhere in between sweet and musky. I know it's a little difficult to buy candles and all of these fragrances online when you can't really smell them, but I was like, chalo jo hoga dekha jayega, and I bought the candle because I was buying the candle after like a very long time. And then I realized it was not Bath and Body Works, but it was Bath and Body. So I just couldn't remove these off my cart, and I added 2 more. So the first thing is actually this one. This is from Color Bar. This is their body wash in the fragrance Floral Breeze. Guys, I am in love with this fragrance. 2 months ago I actually bought this flavor ka hand wash, and I got and the next thing which I got is this one. This is again from Color Bar. This is in the fragrance Neroli Nights. If you can see, it has like a really nice tangy smell, I would like to say. I got this one ka body wash and this one ka hand wash. I love the fragrances so much. They actually ended up buying a body lotion of this one, and because I already had like a body wash, right? So I purchased a body lotion, and I love the hand wash fragrance so much that I ended up buying the body wash of it. This range from Color Bar is so good. I wouldn't say that the smell lasts for like a really long time. It totally doesn't. Even when you wash the hands, by the time you come out of the shower, it's gone. But while taking a bath, you can actually feel relaxed, and you know, you feel so good and clean. So if you're searching for like a new budget friendly kind of a body wash, I would highly recommend you to try that one. And that concludes the 11th category of today's video. So guys, basically by this time the budget was like pretty overboard and I couldn't spend a lot on this, so I thought formality ke liye let's take one. So I just got this one. So this I bought the sports bra from Myntra only, I think. So it has got this really nice I don't know how to hold it now. It has got this really nice neon crisscross back, if you can see, and it is pretty secure in the front. I can use this whenever and wherever. This is from HRX, if you can see. I think it's HRX only. So this is the only thing I got. This was also for not that cheap, but I really liked it, so I ended up buying it. So that is all for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel because that would mean the absolute world to me. And do let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to do like a round 2 of this challenge, or if you want me to do any other challenge. I'll be more than happy to do that.